welcome to the channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. So today's plan is to get the VR4 over the glass shop because I want to have the front windshield, quarter glass, and the rear glass put in. But before I do that, I need to pull the bumper off, pull the wing ends off, and pretty much clean all the random interior stuff out of it right now. And then I need to go over to the shop. I have a parts VR4, the one that this drivetrain came out of, the wrecked one. It's wrecked in the driver's side quarter panel, and I need to pull the back glass out of that and the core glass and take those over the glass shop first, and then I'll drive this over. All right, so I already pulled the hatch off of the car. Now I'm going to pull the core glasses, but before I can do those, I need to pull these sail panel pieces, and then I could pull the bolts for the glass and then use the inductor to heat up the glue behind the glass and then just remove it. I got some stir sticks. They work the best because they don't melt. I got some plastic ones one time and I didn't even think about it, but then they melted. I have everything out. The hatch is right here. The glass I didn't take it out just so you could see how it aligns, I guess. That's what my thought behind it was, that if you can see how it is on here, you can get it straight on mine. I'm sure you won't have an issue, but just in case. And then the core glasses are in the back of the truck in a garbage bag, and then I grabbed some miscellaneous trim. Just finished dropping off all the glass to the glass shop, the quarter windows and the back glass, and now hopefully I don't get pulled over because I have no windows in the car. I'm gonna be wearing a racing helmet. I don't have any plates. Like, I still need to do a VIN inspection. Oh man, this is gonna cock the show. The road's closed where I need to drive. That's not great. Now I have to drive down a dirt road with my truck. All right, so I am about to pretty much pull all the random painted stuff out of the car that I don't need to take, and interior trim. I'm going to pull the roof glass off because I don't have the little assembly to hold it down. All the stuff is out of the car in the garage, so I should be good, hopefully. As long as I don't see a cop, I shouldn't get pulled over. All right, got me some hopefully eye protection. I'm wearing a helmet just so it keeps the wind out of my ears. And I don't know, this is going to be interesting. I've driven it like this a few times, but it's every time I do it, it's fun, but it's kind of sketchy at the same time. All right, so got this thing over at the glass shop. They'll be putting the glass in over the weekend, and Monday I should be able to pick it up. I saw a state trooper. He was already too far to turn around, so I got lucky. So just got the car back with glass in it. So the back, the quarters, and it has a front windshield. Look at that, brand new front windshield. So getting a little bit closer, now I could pretty much put all the roof stuff together, put the sail panels on, and pretty much button the hatch up, put the wiring harness in the hatch, put all the trim on the hatch. Well, actually, I want to get the windows tinted before I do that, and then once they're tinted, you can see the purple back there, and I mean it's definitely coming together from what it was before to what it is now. Big improvement. So I'm gonna go over to the my old job at the junkyard, have my old boss do a VIN inspection, so when I get back from SEMA I could register this thing, and it'll be completely legal, so I could drive it around with no doors, whatever I want to do, and not have to worry about the police. So just got here over to the junkyard. This is the furthest I've driven this car so far, and yeah, I mean, getting the VIN inspection and then back home with it. But I do like this glass. It's not as windy. So I got her back home, driving this thing around. People just literally shit when they see you, you know, driving a car with no doors, no hood, no bumpers. So pretty cool. I got the front bumper, some other stuff put back on it. She is really starting to look like a car again. And with glass, the front bumper, the lights, everything's nice and new. A front windshield is essential, a new one. You know, when you get, like, just leave the used one with rock chips and little tiny, like, little rock chips for when you're driving in the sun. It's just like, you can't see. New windshield, they're like, this was 250 bucks. It's 350 to have everything installed. These were my glasses, but you know, just to get those installed is worth it. And yeah, they're all nice and lined up. So I'm really pumped. Can't wait to actually, you know, get this thing all the way finished and be able to cruise it around. Even if it's not fast, it'll still be a cool car. So that is the video for today. I'm really excited that I got to drive the VR4. You know, it did very well. Didn't have any issues. I'm glad the glass is in it now. And you know, it's getting a little bit closer, so I can actually drive it. I got the VIN inspection. I can get plates for it, get insurance on it, all that stuff. Get the title in my name finally. Wyoming title, out of state, so you have to do a VIN inspection. Yeah, she is looking really nice. All I need to do is the doors, hood, side skirts, and some other random little things, and she'll be ready to go. So if you like the videos, make sure to subscribe, comment below. Also, click the bell next to the subscribe button to get your notifications when I post new videos. The VR4, I really love how it's coming out. I'm glad I picked the color. You know, it's definitely been a lot of work, but it's been worth it. And see you guys next time.